In days filled with rush and hurry, sometimes what we truly need isn't to go further, but to truly return to ourselves. Halo Meditation Mat, a premium 7-chakra meditation mat, is designed to transform your little resting corner into a space of peace, balance, and positive energy. With a circular design, 70 centimeters in diameter and weighing 4.8 kilograms, it features 7 types of stones, arranged in a radiant energy wheel. It feels like sitting in a lush forest, a quiet cave amidst the mountains, or within the peaceful universe. Relax, feel lighter, sit longer, and calm your mind. Elevate your mindfulness to the next level, representing completeness, continuity, and harmony. Inspired by the 7 chakra stones to create a truly relaxing atmosphere. Simply place the mat in your favorite corner, sit comfortably, relax your shoulders, and feel your natural breath flowing in and out. Halo Meditation Mat supports your posture, helping you sit stiller, more relaxed, and truly be with yourself for longer. Whether in your bedroom, meditation room, health corner, or your personal wellness space, this is not just a sitting mat, it is your private space to restore the balance of your body, mind, and daily energy. Halo Meditation Mat, your space, your energy, your balance. GONR Thailand Luxury Heating Mattress.